they have a general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 1, then OH. Now, it is always the scenario that this first member here can be presented by arrow. There's a big letter arrow, capital letter arrow. This capital letter arrow is called an alkyl. Alkyl. If you look at your methane, you have CnH2n plus 2. I mean the alkanes, the general molecular formula, CnH2n plus 2. But there is another family which is CnH2n plus 1. So it means now that the alkyl is one hydrogen less than normal what? Alkane. So if we want to rewrite this general molecular formula, instead of using CnH2n plus 1, we can just use what? Arrow. So arrow stands for everything here. So if you don't want to write the general molecular formula for alkanol as this, you can write it as arrow OH. Yes, arrow OH. Where arrow is an alkyl representing CnH2n plus 1. Now, this OH here is what identifies an alkanol. This OH is what they call the functional group. We should know what that is now. Call it functional group. Now, the functional group of any hydrocarbon or derivative of hydrocarbon is what identifies or gives that family its chemical property. Immediately you say any compound that there's OH, you just know which family it belongs to. So alkanols, their functional group is the OH, hydroxy functional group. Remember, in a base, we have OH now. For example, NaOH. This OH here is hydroxyl. So it's also present in alkanol. In fact, that is what determines the properties of alkanol. Immediately you remove this OH, you put any other group or atoms, it becomes another family. For example, we have arrow COOH. Remember, this arrow is our alkyl. But now there's another functional group, COOH. That becomes another family. So that one is alkanoic acid. We are not there yet. So for alkanols, this is their general molecular formula. Now, if you want to get the members under alkanol, you see this N stands for numbers, integers. When N is equal to 1, you can get the member of this alkanol. All you need to do is put your 1 in here. So you will see 1, H2 times 1, then plus 1, then OH. The OH is always fixed. It's always fixed. So what do we have here now? CH2OH. So this is the first member of your alkanol. And the name of this one is methanol. Call it your methanol. Your methanol is usually found in wood. They usually call it wood spirit. Have you seen when firewood, your wood is burning, there's one liquid that usually comes out, it's kind of dark. The methanol is a constituent of such liquid. So the first member is methanol. Then if N is equal to 2, then you have C2H. There will now be 2 times 2 plus 1, then OH. So now I have C2H5OH. Good. So this one here is a very familiar member. In fact, if we are discussing about alkanol, this is the one we use to represent it. This is what we'll talk about. So you should have heard of it. C2H5OH. This one is called ethanol. Yes, we are used to ethanol. What comes to mind when you hear ethanol? Alcohol. So the old name for alkanols, they're also called alcohols. And because of this member, ethanol. So if you want to continue, you can have N equals to 3. For N equals to 3, what do we have? For N equals to 3, we have C3H. Remember, we're using this formula of CnH2n plus 1, the OH. So it will be C3, 2 times 3 plus 1, then OH. So that will be C3H7 OH. So this one will be your what? Propanol. So the likes continue. You can have your butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol from 1 to 10, just like that. Now for the alkanols,